Good afternoon, sir. My name is Justin Artan, and I'm here to discuss about the ship's stability equilibrium. First is the buoyancy. Center of buoyancy is right here. The upward force exerted by fluid that exposes the weight of an immersed object. It allows the ship to float. The ship must distance a volume of water equal to its weight to remain afloat. Changes weight distribution affect buoyancy and stability. Center of buoyancy. The center of buoyancy is centroid of the distance water volume where the buoyant force acts. The KB height of center of buoyancy is right here. The vertical distance from the keel to the center of buoyancy right here. If the ship tilts, the center of buoyancy shift to the side, affecting stability. The higher the KB, the more influence buoyancy has on stability. Center of gravity. The center of gravity is right here. The top of buoyancy and the lower of the metacenter. The point where the total weight of the ship acts. Vertical downward kg. The vertical distance from the keel, right here, the keel, to the center of gravity. A higher kg makes the ships less stable, increasing the risk of capsizing. A lower kg improves stability. Metacenter. Metacenter is right here, the up of the gravity. The metacenter is the point where the vertical line through the new center of buoyancy after healing interjects the original vertical line through G, the gravity. km is right here. The distance from the keel to the metacenter. A higher km generally means better stability. Metacentric height GM is right here. Metacentric height. The vertical distance between the center of the gravity and the meter center. Positive GM, M above the G, ship returns to upright positive stable. The 0 GM, M at G, neutral stability. The ship remains tilts if disturbed. And the negative GM, M above the G, ship continues to tilt and make capsize. And the writing arms GZ is right here, G and Z, the horizontal distance between the center of the gravity and the buoyant force acting of B, right here, the buoyancy, center of buoyancy. This creates a writing moment. A large GZ produce a stronger writing moment, improve stability. If the GZ is too small or negative, the ship struggles to recover from tilt. And that's all.